Badass cooking by Craig, best chef ever. Hey, what's up, everybody? Craig here. So today I'm gonna do a video. Why am I doing videos now? Why the fuck not? But today I'm gonna make fucking macaroni and cheese. So how do I fucking do this? Boil 6 cups of water. This stove is fucking hot, by the way. 6 cups of water in a medium saucepan. Stir in the pasta and boil 6 to 8 minutes or desired tenderness, stirring 3 to 4 times. 6 to 8 minutes, desired tenderness, 3 to 4 times. It sounds like sex. Here's my fucking saucepan. Time to get some water. It says 6 to 8 cups. That's a cup, but I don't think it's the right size. I don't think that's enough water. Good enough. Okay, so now we got to boil this fucking water. As an appetizer, some mild sauce. So yeah, that'd be pretty good. Oh, that's fucking terrible. It's actually not too bad. So now I gotta wait for this water to boil. Ow, that's fucking hot. Hurry the fuck up and boil. You know, I could make oatmeal instead. No, I want macaroni and cheese. Fuck oatmeal. Oatmeal's for breakfast. This is for lunch. I don't understand why I have to wait to put this in the water. It seems to me like the little spirals would become more tender the longer they're in the water. So I'm not really understanding this. Do I even have everything to make? You know, it doesn't matter if I have everything to make this. I'll just fucking make it up. It says butter. Do I own butter? Alright, well I see little bubbles. So now we're gonna open this fucking mac and cheese. We got our little cheese packet. Looks like a little packet of cocaine. But it's probably not a good idea if I snort this. So now we're gonna put our little macaroni spiral things in the water. No artificial preservatives or synthetic dyes. Why the fuck would you have to dye it? So you're not fat! Ah! Alright, so the mac and cheese is in. So we let it do its thing. Friends and family love our rich and creamy macaroni because it contains no artificial preservatives or synthetic dyes, but it is still full of great tasting flavor. I hope so, because I'm fucking hungry. Now I need more water because of the Taco Bell sauce packet. Ugh. It's got little bubbles. Oh, I need a spoon to stir this shit. Where's my spoon? Big ol' fucking spoon. Alright, so now we stir this shit up, I guess. It seems like I put in too much water, maybe. Alright, so that'll do. That's that thing there. How are all of you today? Some updates about me. Let's see here. I got offered a sweet gig yesterday. Doing design work for lids. You know, the hats that people wear. They go in the mall where it fucking smells like teenager. And they got the store that sells the hats. It's called Lids. So they got a hold of me and they would like me to start doing design work for them. And they offered me a pretty nice contract. I can't really go into how much, but it's pretty nice. This shit is really boiling now. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh, it almost boiled over. Okay. Let's put that back on the heat again. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, let's turn this heat down some. I wanted to do this on the stove rather than the microwave because, like, I dig cooking. I fucking love to cook, man. And, like, everything that I cook, like, ends up like burnt cardboard, right? But, you know, it's no thing because, like, there's, like, Blaze Pizza and Chipotle and all that shit right down the road. So, whatever. But, fuck. This shit's like boiling. Oh, wow. The noodles are already soft. Holy shit. Holy fuck, man. This didn't take long at all. So here's how we're going to drain it. I'm just going to fucking dump it in the sink and try to dump as little of the macaroni and cheese in the sink as possible. We got all the water drained out of it. Nice soft macaroni and cheese. Now it wants me to add... Fuck. I'm gonna burn the mac and cheese to the pan. I don't want to do that. Add 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 3 tablespoons of milk. I don't have any milk. I don't really buy milk all that often. For cereal sometimes, or maybe for cookies. But otherwise, I don't really fuck with milk. Alright, so there's my butter knife. Now, what's a tablespoon? Oh, they got it marked on here. Okay, cool. Alright, so, and it says 3. Oh, so I just throw the whole fucking thing in. Okay, right on. So we're just going to throw all this fucking butter in there. Okay. That's in there. Okay, and I got to add the sauce. Fuck, man. Okay, so stir. This shit isn't stirring very good. Wonder if I should add some water to it. Yeah, let's add a little bit of water. Yeah, that'll work. Now let's stir this shit up. So Craig, how did you become such a world-renowned chef with your recipes of macaroni and cheese? Well, you know, I'm naturally talented at cooking, I guess. So I think it's coming together pretty good. It looks like mac and cheese. I should probably turn off the stove now. Okay. So now the funny thing is, like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. I'm just trying, right? But, like, I can make a pizza, like, homemade, like a boss. I mean, I am a boss at a pizza place, but what the fuck ever. Literally. I don't know how many of you know, but I am the manager of a Pizza King. And I make sure people get their pizza correctly and that it's not all fucked up. Alright, so I think I got some mac and cheese going here. Hell yeah. Because I'm fucking hungry, man. Pink Himalayan salt. Ooh. Okay, that's enough salt. Don't want too much of it. Just enough to enhance the flavor. That's it. Don't need too much sodium. Alright, we got peppercorn medley for the pepper. Because I fucking love pepper in my mac and cheese. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, let's stir that shit in. Alright. We got some mac and cheese going on. Okay. So now we gotta put it on a plate. Okay, so I got my plate. Got my mac and cheese. So here's how we do this. We just go bleh. Alright, I don't need to eat all of that fucking shit. Alright. So I think it worked. It's time to fucking eat, man. Remember, love each other. This isn't the end, it's just the beginning.